The state legislature created an option to cancel a preliminary notice if it was filed incorrectly. The user who filed the preliminary notice or anyone in their company may cancel a notice. This option is not the same as a lien waiver. A lien waiver is a statement that you have been paid for your work. Canceling a preliminary notice should only be used if the notice lacks proper basis and is therefore invalid. Incorrect filings need to be removed by the filer within 10 days after receiving a request. A bank or title company should not ask or demand a subcontractor or supplier to cancel a valid preliminary notice. Cancel requests are only valid if the preliminary notice is filed on the wrong property. Go to My History, find the filing in question, and then scroll down to the red Cancel Filing button.